Tell me a little bit more about your franchise business. What do you provide your franchisee? What kind of support? And who's a good franchise owner for this business? All right, tell me a little bit more about your franchise business.
Sure. So we're fish window cleaning. Biggest thing a lot of people don't know about us, we're about 80% recurring revenue, which means for most people, what we're cleaning is commercial route work, which is your local strip center, Target, Walmart, with restaurants, hair salons, urgent care clinics. We basically set up schedules with those folks. We come out weekly, bi-weekly, or once a month, depending on how often the customer needs us. We do some residential as well as commercial projects, which is anything from a retirement home to a school or anything like that. That's the core of our business.
Love it. What do you provide your franchisee? What kind of support?
Great question. So we provide all kinds of different support, but I think the things that most people prefer to get from us, we do all of our search engine marketing and optimization in-house. So when we're in a local market, I'm from Atlanta, if someone puts in window cleaning Atlanta, goal is to show up a couple of times on that first page of Google in the paid advertising section as well as the section below. We also have a national accounts group. So a lot of our stores that we just talked about, the individual owner may not own that. So it may be a corporate store, Chipotle restaurant. Well, Chipotle has locations all around the country. So they want to work with someone that has multiple locations. So we have a national account group that works directly with them and with other companies who help them with their facility maintenance needs to get the window cleaning done for those locations.
And who's a good franchise owner for this business?
Really, it's anybody. I know that's not being, but we have anyone from teachers to engineers to scientists to financial people. It's really someone who's okay getting it out in the community. We don't want someone who wants to sit back and wait for the phone to ring. The beauty of this business is you don't have to advertise. You go out and you create business. And so if you're a go-getter, that's really what we're looking for. It's just someone that is active in the community, is okay managing people, and is really someone who wants to create a nice culture in their organization.
Amazing. Congratulations on your business. And we actually like your business so much, we want to give you one of our badges of Franchise Top Picks.
Oh, awesome.
Right? Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
So I'm going to initiate you here.
All right.
Hold on. Here we go. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.